Hello, I'm Xander. Welcome to this Django ORM query challenge. Now you can follow along with these challenges like a Django ORM workshop or tutorial if you're just getting started out, or use it to test your current Django query skills. You can find the source code and the setup instructions for all of our challenges linked in the video description. In this challenge 2.10, our goal is to build a Django query that returns users with emails ending in example.com. So we're only going to be returning their ID, username, and email. That's the challenge, so we need to filter out there potentially. So give us a go. Take a moment, try it yourself, pause the video here, and if or when you're ready, I'll walk you through the solution step by step. Right, so this is very familiar to a challenge we did previously, but of course we just need to apply it within this context. So here we have an email that ends potentially example.com. Now if we take a look at the models here, we can see that emails, now if we look at the user model even, we can see that emails are an email field, which is essentially going to be some sort of character field. So we can filter the emails based upon a string. Right, so let's go back into our setting. So users equals, so we're going to start with the user model, and then we're going to run a simple filter. We're going to filter that by the email field. And here we're going to use ends with again, like we did not too long ago in a previous challenge. So this is simply going to be ends with example.com. So that's going to look through all the user's email fields and it's going to try and make a match with this string in the field where the string ends with example.com. Now, if we take a look at the data, Postgres data, we will find that there are users with this example.com. In actual fact, all the users have the same email address prefix of example.com, so it should return 5 users. Right, so let's see this in action. Don't forget the ends with is case sensitive. So if you want case insensitive, use the I in front. So let's give this a go. Right, so this is challenge 210. Try this out. We execute, and it looks like we have some sort of error. So ends with for the email field or join on the field is not permitted. So I've made a typo error here, so you may have already seen that. So it's not end with, it's ends with. So I need the S after the D. So we try that, we execute, and now we simply return all of users where their email ends with example.com. Now, if you're looking for more challenges like this one, then do check out our Django ORM Query Freeview YouTube playlist. Now, if you're ready to master all the skills behind these queries, then do take a look at our Django ORM Mastery course. It's designed to take you from the ground up. Now, all the links to the playlist and course is in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions, discounts, and Udemy course giveaways.